Shares of Novavax are trading at $17.96, and they are up over 250% year to date after recent reports of the bird flu have been detected in Michigan. Zooming out on the chart, you can see that investors have had a wild ride since its IPO in '95. It's been essentially pumped and dumped about 7 times since then, and as you can see, it looks like we are in a dip right now, and it looks poised to break out again. Anyways, in terms of fundamentals, Novavax has smashed 3 of its last 4 earnings calls. Their probability of bankruptcy is about 32%, which is okay, and their revenue and net income have both been trending upwards mostly, but have mostly been sporadic. And the average 1-year analyst price forecast for Novavax is $17.50, which is about 2% lower than where it trades today, with a high estimate of 29 and a low of 10, which makes for a pretty decent spread. As you can imagine, just like the share price, the valuation has been pretty volatile over the years as well. NVAX's current price-to-sales ratio is about 2.61, which is considerably lower than its industry average of 6.35, and is also quite a bit lower than Novavax's historical value. For 2025, NVAX is expected to earn a revenue of $422 million, which is quite a bit lower than their TTM revenue of $793, and that works out to around $3.02 a share. Again, that's for December 2025. And if we follow their trend of the price to sales, I think that we can expect that to rise up to around 7 by 2025, which would result in a share price of $21.15, which is an 18% upside. So while the upside is there, it's pretty much solely dependent on just the price to sales valuation, given the revenues expected to have from now till 2025. And to me, that introduces a lot of risk that I think an 18% upside just does not justify. However, the stock does have the potential to skyrocket, of course, should the price to sales end up in the 30, 40, even 50 territory like it has multiple times in the past. And if you are patient, it certainly could get there. So, I would put this in the high risk, high reward category just because there definitely is a possibility for massive, massive gains. But for me personally, it's just too risky given the revenue volatility. Anyways, that's all I have for you today on Novavax stock. Please drop a like, leave a comment, and I will see you next video.